Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today we are going to discuss about the another topic, that is cube root of a cube number from Cubes and Cube Roots 8th class NCERT. Here is a topic about the cube root of a cube number. So if you compare this cube roots to the square roots, we have a one process to find a square root of a square number. But here also we have another process to find a cube root of a given number. So let's consider. So we cannot find bigger number in a cube root. So we can use this method to find or estimate a cube number for the given number. So if you consider 8,57,375 is the given number. So we have to find the cube root of cube number. Okay. Now this is just estimation method only, because of we cannot find any bigger numbers through the cubes or prime factorization method. For that purpose, we are replacing this method to estimate the given cube number. So now step 1. Take the number and make group of 3 digits. Okay. Now I am taking 8,57,375. Now I am making this is as 2 groups. So this is as 857 as like this. See, this is as group 2 and this is as group 1. Why? Because of this is ones place, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs. So we are started from right to left. So that's why I am taking group 1 and group 2. Now step 2 is find the cube root to the group 1. So see, find the cube root to the group 1. Take this number 375. This is group 1. Okay. Now we have to find the rough estimation of the number. See, here we have 5. We know the multiple rules. If in case there is a starting with a 5, that number only divisible by the 5 number only. So in units place. So if you take cube root of 8,57,375, we have to find the numbers, right? So this is the group 1. But here this total number is only divisible by 5 only. So this is ones place and this is tens place. So in ones place we can write it as 5. Okay. Next, step 3 is find the cube root to the group 2. Now take 857 in this group. So this is group 2. Now this number is cube root of between. See, 8 cube if you take 512. If you take 9 cube, that is 729. If you take 10 cube, that is 1000. Now this number is in between 9th cube and 10th cube. See, 9 cube between 857 between 9th cube and 10th cube. But if you want to find the cube root of any number, we have to take the lesser number for the countable purpose. So I am taking here 9. So consider 9. 9 here in a tens digit. So therefore estimated cube root of a cube number is 95. Therefore cube root of 8,57,375 is equal to 95. This is the answer. So this is about the procedure to find a cube root of a cube number. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.